Good day. My name is Ada Iwuchukwu. I am a chartered accountant and a social entrepreneur. Today, I'm here to share with you a time-tested strategy I've used over the last 4 years to multiply my income, to live well, and to help others. Before I go further, I'd like you to ask yourself these following questions. Are you where you want to be in life right now? Do you really want to get more out of life? If you suddenly stop earning an income from your current job or business, maybe due to layoff, retirement, sudden illness, do you have a backup plan, a plan B source of income? Do you want to take control of your financial future? Are you tired of the rat race? Everyday professionals like you and I wake up early in the morning as early as 3, 4, 5 a.m., go through the grind of getting to the office, working hard, and when we're at work, we're looking at the time because we can't wait to get back home. And when we're back home, we are tired and worn out, and we cannot even spend quality time with our families. Are you tired of all of this? What is your dream? What is your priority? Most of us dream of owning a beautiful home, a happy family, a quality education for your children, for your loved ones, for your siblings. A wonderful vacation. My mentor always tell me that a life without traveling is like a food without flavor. Do you want to experience other cultures and histories? Do you want to have enough money to be out of debt and to take care of other things that are very important to you? Do you want exotic transportations, or do you want enough time and money to donate to worthy causes? Now, whatever your dreams are, our business club model is structured in such that if consistently applied, you can achieve this and so much more. What steps have you taken to achieve your dreams? Whatever you're doing now to put food on your table, to take care of yourself and your family, is what we call your plan A. It's your plan. Our offer is a plan B. Like I told you, I'm a chartered accountant, and that's my plan A. And my business now is my plan B. Introducing the Fast Track team. Who are we? We're a group of workplace professionals who have realized that the normal grind of having a job or a one-man business is not enough to take care of ourselves and all the needs and desires of our heart. So we came together, forming a business team, and what are we doing basically? We're creating financial capital via the social network. Now, Fast Track as a team provides you with the structure, the strategy, and the system to enable members like you succeed in networking. Hey, when I say networking, I don't mean hawking of products or bothering your friends. Introducing the reward scheme. The reward scheme one, there's so many benefits of what we do, and I'm going to run through that briefly. Now, the first benefit is a monthly bonus, a monthly income which can start from as low as 5,000 naira to well over 5 million naira per month. Okay, now this is one of my mentors. His name is Mr. Ken Okere. He's the director of FRCN Southeast. This is a sample earnings from our business. Working his full-time job in the ministry, the federal ministry, he is also able to build this income stream from himself, for himself in our business. Okay, now this is his income from month one, the month two, the third month, fourth month, fifth month, and in his 12th month, you can see he started averaging a million naira monthly in income, starting from an income of 5,000, and it grew consistently. As you can see, what happened in the fifth and sixth month, there was a drop. Every businessman will tell you that business goes up and comes down, but no matter how low it gets, you can never get back to square zero. Now, this is another mentor of mine. His name is Mr. Dibal Baraka and his beautiful wife. Mr. Dibal joined us in April 2012, building his business. He's a staff of National Assembly in Abuja, and with his job, working his business part-time, he has been able to build this income stream from his business from month one to month six, where he started earning a million naira in a single month. As I showed you earlier, Mr. Ken achieved this feat in 12 months. He achieved his in 6 months. This shows you that the income varies based on performance and hard work. This is a student of Unizik, Miss Chidema Enujoke, who joined us in August 2015. As a student, building her business part-time, and she was able to build this amazing income part-time. Okay, another leading lady in our team, Mrs. Nkechiku Ann, started her business December 2015, and you can see her income from her first month to her second month to her third month, and currently she's a manager in the business, building a very large team across Nigeria. Now, the second reward scheme is a brand new car. You are entitled to one brand new car every 3 years. You earn it, right? Now, this is my car I got from the business, and that's me here as well. You can see the car as I got it, excited and happy I was. I'm not the only one who has gotten cars from the business. You can see other members. That's Mr. Lawrence Nebeli, that's Mr. Ken Okiri, Dr. Mrs. Hannah Oja with her Ford Explorer. This is Mr. Wale Okola with his Passat CC, and Mr. MC with his Ford Escape. Okay, that's a young student here of Unizik. with her Lexus Jeep. My mentor, Dr. Benjamin Oekena, with his Kia Optima. Can you see what Mr. Lawrence is doing here? He's dancing on top of his car, right? You can see we have several other brand new car owners from the business. Now, the third reward scheme is my favorite, notifications. In our company, in our business, you're entitled to two all expense paid international vacations every year for two all expense paid. When I mean all expense, I mean your flight is paid for, hotel is paid for, and feeding is paid for, right? Now, these are some of the vacations I've witnessed. This was in Singapore in April 2015. That's me with the founder of the company in Singapore. Okay, that's Johannesburg in South Africa. That's April 2016. Okay, you can see Mr. Dibal here, some members of the team, and that's my mom. Yes, because you're entitled to go with a partner, and if you're not married like me and myself, you're entitled to nominate anybody to go with you. So that's my mom here, and my aunt also qualified to be in the trip. Okay, now we also went to Greece, Costa Navarino in Greece. Fantastic, amazing, with my younger brother. You can see him here and some members of the team. Now, something striking happened in Greece. When we were lodged at a 7-star resort, each room had a private swimming pool, as you can see. So it was amazing. We had a good time in Greece, partying with a Greek toga party. Went to Athens, the Parthenon, the Acropolis. Next, we were in Dubai in April 2017. Had an amazing time at JW Marriott Marquis in Dubai. You can see me here with some members of the team. And that's my dad. He was my partner for this vacation, and some of our team members as well. And this was also in Dubai. Now, the most amazing one was a ship cruise. Now, this was a ship cruise across 3 European countries, from Barcelona to Spain, Barcelona in Spain to France and Italy, right? It was amazing. You can see the interiors of the ship here, beautiful. You can see some members of the team here. This was taken in France. Okay, that's another leading lady in our team, Mrs. Obika, with her husband, Mr. Donald. Amazing couple, leading an amazing business here. Now, these are some of our team members as well. This couple from Kenya, and some amazing experiences we've had. This is in Italy, in Rome. Went to the Basilica of St. Peter. Okay, that's also in the ship as well. Amazing. This was back in Barcelona, where we went to visit the stadium, and so many great experiences. This year, amazingly, we'll be going to Dallas in the US, April this year, and Phoenix in Arizona, October this year. Now, if you want to enjoy vacations where you don't even remove a kobo from your pocket, you're going to enjoy yourself at someone else's expense. Now, this is a very great business for you, right? Now, who do we work with? Like I told you, Fast Track Business Club, we're just a team of workplace professionals, and we went in search of a company, a network marketing company that will pay us. And we found our partner company outstanding. Now, why do we find them outstanding? Because they are cash rich and debt free, and whatever they say they will do it, right? And they have never really declared a loss since inception. I'm sure you all know this product, this company, Forever Living Products. Amazing company, right? Now, I'm sure you maybe know about the product, you know about people who have done business with the company, but whatever you know about this company, I want you to keep it on the right and listen to what I'm going to tell you, right? And after this, you can make an objective review and take an informed decision. Okay, now, why did we choose this company? This company is a 39-year-old American company with headquarters in Arizona in the US, 17 years doing business in Nigeria, present in about 165 countries. Like I said, they're cash and debt free. Look at this. Since inception, Forever Living Product has never declared a loss. Even in 2008, when there was a global economic meltdown, Forever Living Product made a whooping profit of $2.5 billion. Now, the basic principles, they never advertise, they never pass through middlemen. You see, the money that should have spent on adverts and on middlemen, that is the money they give to you and I, right? And they believe in only natural quality consumable products. And they treat our members, we're called business owners, FBOs. We treat Forever business owners as kings. Okay, now, why do some people fail in Forever? Can you see what this woman is doing? What is she doing? She is hawking products. We do not hawk products. We're professionals. You don't expect a chartered accountant like me to start going on the street hawking products, right? Now, our business model is quite simple. It's called Busy. What is Busy? We buy, we use, we share, and we invite. Can you see the model? It's quite simple. We don't focus on buying to sell. We invite our friends. We don't convince people. Please, we don't convince. We invite you to our business meetings, and if you see that you like it, you can join us. Our seminars hold weekly in several cities, and guess what? We can make this presentation on your behalf to your friends and your family members, and guess what? You start earning and learning immediately, right? Amazing business model. Stick to it, and we'll share with you what we do. Now, look at this. Fast Track has taken away the most difficult part of networking, which is having to hawk products and having to convince people. This is what the club will do for you when you become part of us, right? Now, introducing the last reward scheme, the profit share, something amazing Forever does. At the end of every business year, Forever Living Products shares a certain amount of their profit with their business owners who have done extremely well in the year. Look at, we're not shareholders, but guess what? We're technically shareholders, sharing the profit of the company. You can see some Nigerians who are doing well, who has received some profit share checks from the company. That is Mrs. Oyamade with her check $104,000. This is late Dr. Maria Idigo, the husband Clement, $330,000. You can see my humble self with my $6,000 check. Oh, do not despise little beginnings, okay? Now, this is Mr. Dibalbaka, $83,000, and I also have Mr. Kenya, $20,000, and my mentor, Dr. Benjamin Oekena, with $23,000 profit share. Now, this is like 13th month because it's not like a monthly income. No, it's just at the end of the year, they share this profit and we get this extra benefit. Isn't this amazing? Now, how are we different from every other thing you know out there? We do not hawk products, like I said. We don't bother convincing our friends. You know what we do? All we will do is to train you. And what are we training you on? How to just connect with your social network by inviting them to see a business presentation done professionally. And if you like it, your friends will like it more. You start working with your friends. Now, startup options. Registration is absolutely free of charge, okay? But you have to activate your registration through purchase of products. Now, we have various options that you can purchase from. The least being the one that's 8,000. The least and the recommended is a 2 points option, which is cost 138,000. And remember, this money you're paying is not for any other thing but to select a product of choice or select products of choice. Okay, you'll be given options to choose any products you want worth the amount. If you want to do higher options like the 3 points, 184,000, the 4 points, you spend like 236,000 shopping, and the 5 points about 289,000 shopping. Now, whatever you start with, it's okay, and we're going to work with you to achieve everything you want from the business. Will Fast Track work for you? I'm sure it's a question you're asking yourself. Yes, if it has worked for many, why not you? I'm sure you're smarter than at least one person that is succeeding in our business. Now, who else is succeeding in our business model? This is Oboko. Guess what his job is? A mechanic. But look at him today with his brand new car from the business. Okay. Now, here are some products of the company. Now, these are the drinks, the national drinks of the company. This is aloe vera gel, fantastic, balances the immune system, boosts the immune system. These are the various aloe vera drinks. So this one is very important, specifically for people who have, arthritis, flexibility issue, a joint pain, muscle pain. Now, this is the berry nectar for ladies, especially urinary tract infections, fertility. This is the FAB, the energy drink, no caffeine, no alcohol, gives you energy. Now, these are all nutritional supplements. A lot of supplements that can help you enjoy good health. For the prostate health, you can come in here and have some of the supplements. Now, this is for the circulatory system, very good for hypertensives, okay? Nervous system, nervous breakdown. We also have natural antibiotics, strength and stamina. If you want to boost your libido, your sexual relationship, you can come in here. Now, we have personal care items from your bathing soap is what I use to have my bath. Now, this is a multi-purpose detergent for washing your clothes, washing your car, cleaning your house. Bright to gel, very good. Even dentists recommend it for mouth ulcers and bleeding gum. The lip balm, the perfume I use, male perfume, aftershave, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant. Varieties of products, even from the skincare products, we want to have a very clean skin, to color cosmetics for the ladies. And weight management, you're able to lose about 10 to 15 kg in 9 days. I said it, 10 to 15 kg in 9 days. I also have a 30-day weight management keeping fit products. Now look at this background. Look at this. My business club defines PO as something passing over opportunities repeatedly. A lot of us see opportunities every day and we pass it when we are young. Oh, that's not for me. Oh, this one. Oh, that one. And guess what? Most of us retire and you're wondering, just like this man, what has happened to you? What has happened to your life, right? So we tell you to retire into wealth and fulfillment. And if you must age, please age gracefully with our amazing products. Now, how do you get started? Contact the person who invited you, register for free, and make your purchase, okay? That's our website there, foreverliving.com. Now, a reminder, he who takes advice about MLM for those who are not succeeded is bound to fail. You cannot take advice from a failed doctor when you want to be a doctor. So if you want to take advice from people who have succeeded and let them tell you how they have succeeded and what they did to succeed, and you also will succeed. So don't go to failures to take advice, okay? In anything you do, in any profession you find yourself, okay? Now, don't ever let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. The same thing happened to me. I was scared when I saw this opportunity, but I told myself, how will I know if it's work for me if I don't try? So I decided to give it a trial, okay? So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for listening to me. me, and I look forward to see you on the other side, and we're going to work with you to help you grow your business to any level you want it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.